All right, so before I show you the rest of the code, this is where I got all of my functions. I created my functions first, and then I copied and pasted into each of the functions that I will show you in a second. So this is the section for kilometers. We're going to have kilometers in terms of meters, centimeters, all the way to light years. We have a section for centimeters, similar to this, millimeters. And then if I come down, I have a section for temperature. This is the function for Fahrenheit in terms of Celsius, and then all the way up to Kelvin. And then we have the area. And then I've also labeled which section I'm at. So for area, the first section is square meters. So square meters is in each of these functions in the second command. So square mile equals square meter divided by a number. All right, square kilometers. And then we have, if I come down, a volume section. This is the longest of the list because of the calculator that I looked at online. So this is the volume section. It's very long. And this is the weight section, and then I have the time section underneath. So this is just the functions of the code, and this is this long just for the functions. So imagine what the code itself, how long that is. So this is now the code. Let me make this bigger. So here we have the print menu, we have the length print menu, and then I've already filled in the kilometers, all the print menus for length. So I have another section now for the functions. So remember, we had the meters to kilometers. So I have meters to centimeters. I filled in all of these functions. So this is the meter section. And if I come down, see how long this program is? It's very big and very long. It's about, I want to say 50 times the size of a normal Python program. It's about 600 kilobytes. It's very big for a Python program. So this is the functions for time here, microseconds to months. It is the same procedure as we had made the first function. We have try, except blocks, while true. So we put in the functions here. This line of code was from the text document I just showed you. And yeah, and here now we have main block. This is the main function here. So let's go back up. Went too fast. So def main, we create Boolean variables to call the print menu and a choice, and then if the choice is 1, call the Boolean variable again. We make another print menu. This is the purpose of this, is so that the command of the line doesn't go all the way back to the first line of code. So if the user inputs an incorrect value here, we want to come back to length. So if I'm here, I want to come back here, not all the way to the first line print menu. That's what that flag equals true does. It separates it by section. And then once the user chooses one of the options, for example, if choice is 1, we're in the length section and they want to convert from meters to kilometers, they do their conversion, and then we set flag to false, and then the program is a very long program. It comes all the way down here to answer, and it asks them if they wanted to do it again. All right, so let's go ahead and run this program. So we're gonna choose number 2, check the temperature. So we're gonna pick Celsius. We're gonna pick number 1. It says convert Celsius to, we're gonna choose number 1 for Fahrenheit. So we're gonna enter a temperature in Celsius and see what we get. 45 degrees Celsius. It gives us the degrees in Fahrenheit, 113. So let's keep running the code. I'm gonna pick a letter, that's not Y. So convert time now. So pick number 6. We're gonna convert, let's make this bigger, from seconds into years. So pick number 10. So let's see what 65 seconds is in terms of years. So 65 seconds equals 2.05 times 10 to the negative 6 years. So it converts it from seconds to years. Let's do another one. So I'm gonna pick another letter. Let's choose volume, number 4. So this is a very long list. If you see here, it's a print menu for volume. Let's pick meters. Oops, here, come here. So we're gonna pick meters and we're gonna convert it to, I don't know, number 21, tablespoons. So cubic meters, let's put in 56, and that equals this amount in tablespoons, imperial tablespoons. We also have US tablespoons, because if I go back to the calculator, look at the volume, so there's US tablespoons here, and then there's also imperial tablespoons there. All right, so I'm gonna exit out of the program now. I'm gonna say Y for yes, and that's how we create a Python program that converts any units that we want to convert. Thanks for watching.